Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to hide message alerts from a particular contact on iPhone running iOS version 13.6.1. Okay, so this is my iPhone device and I have iOS version 13.6.1 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 13.6.1 installed on this iPhone XR. Okay, so let me go back, let me close the settings app. Okay, so in order to hide message alerts from a particular contact on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your messages app. Okay, so here is my messages app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened. And after that you have to open the conversation with a contact for which you want to hide message alerts. Okay, so let me open this conversation. It's now opened, and after that guys, you have to tap on this forward this arrow link next to the contact. So let me tap on this, and you can see here we have three options: audio, FaceTime and info. So you have to tap on this I button, this info button. So let me tap on this, and I have this details screen opened, and here we have this hide alerts. You can see currently it's disabled. So what you need to do, you have to enable that. So just tap on this toggle and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and it's now enabled. After that, just tap on this done link at the top right. So let me tap on this, and it's now done guys. So if I go back, you can see here we have this crescent moon icon. That means message alerts from this contact is now hidden. Okay, and guys, there is another way by which you can do that easily. Okay, so just open your messages app, and after that go to the contact for which you want to hide message alerts. So suppose if I want to do this for this contact, then I need to swipe from right to left. Okay, so let me do that, and you can see here we have two options: hide alerts and delete. So you have to tap on this hide alerts. So let me do that, and you can see here we have this crescent moon icon. Okay, so it's now done. After that you can close your messages app. So let me close that. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily hide message alerts from a particular contact on iPhone running iOS version 13.6.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.